Hey my friends, this is Daniel Aldie, and I want to give you some quick motivation because a lot of times people ask me, Daniel, how do I really jump up in the morning? How do I get excited for the day? How do I live up to my purpose? In this video, I want to let you know that you are meant to be successful. You were born for greatness. And no one in this world can stop you from becoming who you are except yourself. Look, there's so many opportunities in this world to become the best version of who you were meant to be. And if you allow certain things to stop you from reaching your goals, then you're cutting yourself short. Don't let anyone or anything prevent you from reaching your purpose in life, because your purpose is greater than you. Look, you didn't come this far for God to leave you where you are. You might be going through something, but that doesn't mean your life is over. It doesn't mean that this challenge is the end of your days. Instead, it proves that this is the beginning of God's ways. And what you need to do is to prepare yourself, because this negative situation will not last. In fact, it's coming to an end. But what you need to do in this moment is to understand where you are right now so that you can know what you need to do to become who you need to be in the future. And what that basically means is that certain things are shifting in your life for the better. But for you to reach that next level of promotion, you've got to understand who you need to leave behind. You got to know that there's certain places you can't go to anymore. There's certain websites you can't visit any longer. There's certain conversations that you can't afford to have because God will remove those people from your life. So all I'm saying is that now is the time to say goodbye to all the bad habits, all the bad people, all the bad scenarios, because you are about to move into a new place. You are about to get promoted to a point that you've always prayed about. In fact, it's going to be better than that which you've been praying about. So be ready, be prepared, understand that this life right now is coming to an end. You're about to have a rebirth. You're about to have a breakthrough. You're about to reach your highest purpose that God has ordained for you. So there you go, my friends. I just shared with you some very important motivation that I want you to keep within your mind, your heart, and your soul, because that's the only way you're ever going to reach your highest goals. My friends, do big things. Share this video with someone else that you know you're divinely connected with that will also benefit from this message. And please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and type yes in the comment section below if you received this message. My friends, this is Daniel Aldie, and I look forward to the success that you are about to become. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.